All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our Advent Calendar Series Mini Prints Edition here with a customizable train here. We're on to day number 6, so let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so it looks like we've got a slide, a teeter-totter, and looks like we've got an animal here. Look at the animal here in a second. So here is the slide. So cool. And here's our teeter-totter. And then finally, looks like we've got a sitting dog. Look at that. Gotta love the details. Awesome. Well, with that, guys, there is day 6. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll go ahead and start our second row here with day 7.